Hello, my dear all friends. How are you? Welcome to hear from our YouTube channel and VIP Gold Forex signals. Our team provide mostly of gold signals, accuracy 90% to 98%. Join our VIP Gold Forex signals and save your time and money. We have 4 types of subscriptions. 3-month subscription fee, $190. 6-month subscription fee, $399. 1-year subscription fee, $599. And lifetime subscription fee, $999 only. You can pay via debit Visa card, BTC, USDT, Skrill, and also via Binance. Our contact links available in video description. My dear friends, swing trading is very difficult. It is not too easy. So first of all, understand the basics. You will see the up main charts. In the main chart, there are weekly chart and daily chart. After will come in a H4, which level up marked in H4. See here main, HBO, LBD. SNR, SND, FVG, RBR, DBD, RBD, DBR. RBS, SBR, demand area, supply area. Bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, support and resistance. SBO, SBD, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, higher to high, lower to low. QM level available is, and there are many mores. How to use Fibo. Our team uses 3 methods of breakout and breakdown, which is valid and which is not. Retest entry, which is valid and which is not. Our team have many kinds of methods, and then there are lots of things like technical analysis and fundamentals analysis, and it has 3 sessions: Asian session, London session, and New York session. And our team does most of trading in London and New York sessions. And New York session, you have some. There is Forex Factory or FX News that has to be taken care of FOMC, CPI, GDP price index, GDP growth rate, unemployment rate, non-farm payroll, goods trades balance, interest rate decision, jobless claims. But still our team does 75% work on technical analysis and 25% work on fundamentals analysis. So it is better learn Forex first, give it time, and learn it with full dedications, and then make your investment with a good Forex broker. Otherwise, you can suffer a lot of losses with the Forex market. Take care of yourself. You can contact us via Telegram and mail ID. Thanks.